to tell a few lines about this event?
I think this is one of the amazing events. We've been following the sports for quite some time, and Kidzbyte Media Tech, as a company, we are the kids first company. There are more than around 6 categories of play that are going to happen here. We're looking at the under 14 especially because, as I said, Kidzbyte Media Tech is the kids first company which takes care of kids as influencers, as sports personalities, as creators. So I think this is the most upcoming sports that is coming up. So we thought probably we'll cover up the event as a sponsor, and we'll also look at the under 14 category that is playing here. There's some amazing kids who are playing here. I think we're going to have a good time looking at them.